Hey, what's up? This is Matt Montgomery. Hey, today I wanted to do a review of a really awesome system. And this is the best system to make money from home. I truly believe that. And I just wanted to kind of walk you through this and introduce you to the 12-minute affiliate system. Okay? If you are somebody that's like a complete newbie, never done anything online before, maybe you still have your typical 9 to 5 job, or maybe you're a business owner, but you're in the brick and mortar business world and not in the online world. Whatever that case may be, if you're just brand new to all of this online stuff, then the 12-minute affiliate system was designed for somebody just like you. And it's a system that I used when I first got started online as well, because somebody introduced it to me and they walked me through it, and I was like, wow, this is something I could really use. I think this is a really cool and neat system, and it works. That's the other really important thing. Unlike a lot of other crappy systems out there, this system actually works. It's a done for you type system, and what that means is all you need to do is sign up, enter in a little bit of information, kind of do what the course or the system, it's not a course, it's do what the system walks you through to do. There's a couple steps of things that you need to do on your end, and then the system does everything else for you. It will send you traffic. It will do all kinds of stuff as your follow-ups and your autoresponders. And if that's okay, if you don't know what any of that stuff is right now, don't get overwhelmed. I'm going to walk you through this right now. I'm going to first go over some pricing, get you all that good information, and then we're going to hop into my personal account and walk you through some of the back office and stuff, what it looks like once you already purchased a 12-minute affiliate system and signed up. Okay, so here we are. This is we're on the membership plans here. I'm going to start with the pricing. This is 12-minute affiliate basic level, okay, and it says one niche, and then you got over here the gold level, which is 3 niches. What the one niche means is it depends on what type of business you want to enter into online, right? Are you going to be doing primarily make money online type stuff, the business opportunity niche? Do you want to be in the healthcare niche? Do you want to be in the dog training niche? It just depends on what your interest is and what you want to do online, is what they mean by one niche or 3 niche. If you want to focus, which I recommend focusing on just one niche if you're just getting started, because this is a lot easier to focus with versus if you're trying to go around and do something in 3 different niches. It can get really costly, confusing, and oftentimes you won't have the success that you would with the one niche program. Okay, so right here you got 12-minute plug and play affiliate marketing system. It says it right here. Find a product, plug it in, and you're done. That's it. Okay, it's really that easy. They even have products and stuff that convert already in here for you, but you're more than welcome to add in your own offers and the stuff that you want to promote as well. Choose 1 to 3 top niches, 10 fully ready to go affiliate funnels. This is really cool, right? Because if you're a brand new person, you really don't know how to write ads. You don't really know how to build a squeeze page, landing page, which is what you need in order to collect people's emails and put them on an autoresponder. This system really takes all the initial upfront learning away from you and just does it all for you. So it's really simple for you to understand. It's basically, I would almost go as far as saying this is like a dummy proof system. Okay, so it's really foolproof and easy for somebody who doesn't know how to do any of this stuff. All right, so if you think that's you and you're like, oh yeah, that's me, I don't know what a funnel is, and I don't know how to build this stuff, then this system will do it for you. All right, you also get 80 professional done for you follow-up messages written by a professional copywriter. So once again, we'll get into that later, but you can put all those 80 messages in your autoresponder and start following up with the new subscribers that get into your email list. You don't have to write anything yourself. This is called a funnel wizard. Create on-demand custom affiliate funnels in seconds. You can go in and you can edit the done for you funnels. These 10 funnels here, you can go in with a custom funnel and you can edit the headlines and the text. And if you ever wanted to change anything, you have that availability to be able to go in and do something like that. Okay. Inner Circle Access. This is part of their, you'll get access to their private, it's called 100K. It's called the 100K Inner Circle Facebook group. Get you access to Devon, who is the creator of the system, and it allows you to network and get help through other successful students that are in there as well. Okay, so that's really awesome. And then you got the instant pizza traffic solution, he calls it. What's really cool about this is traffic is the lifeblood of everything online, right? You need traffic to go to. Traffic's eyeballs, right? It's human beings. So you need people and eyeballs to go see your offers in order for them to buy anything and for you to make any money. So they give you all that stuff right inside of here, allows you to make money and send traffic so you don't have to go out and worry about buying shit traffic. Right here, you can test drive this system for $9.95 for 14 days. So you have literally 14 days, 2 whole weeks to try the system to see if you like it, to see if it's something that you think would work for you. After that, it's only $47 a month, and nothing changes. Okay, once the trial ends, the only thing that changes is the payment of you'll get charged $47 a month, and everything that I just walked you through stays the same. Okay. So I would recommend starting with the $47 a month one. If you have a bigger budget and you want to do the 3 niche one, totally you can do that. This same price, $9.95 for 2 weeks over here, and then it becomes $97 a month after the 2-week trial. So that would be my recommendations. I would do the 47 personally if you're just getting started, or you can just go down here and you can buy a lifetime and not have a monthly payment whatsoever at $397. So, I mean, that would probably be a good idea too if you didn't want to have a monthly payment. Just pay a one-time fee of $397 and be done with it. Here I want to walk you through just some of the testimonials, some of the success stories that other people are having. I don't want to spend too much time here. You can see all this for yourself, but you can see they've got endless amount of testimonials and social proof, people that are getting their list built. Right here, this person's got 1,060 people on their list. Other people are starting to make money with what they call with a network called ClickBank. I mean, these are all everyday, ordinary people who have never, ever tried to make money online before, who sign up for the system and are instantly having success with the 12-minute affiliate system, okay? So if you're sitting here wondering, I don't know if I can do this, I'm not sure if this is for me, you ought to really get that out of your head, because there's tons and tons of other people that are just like you who have no idea or have no tech skills, no marketing skills, no sales skills, none of that. None of that's even needed. You don't have to sell anything. You don't need to know how to be techie. You just need to know how to set up the system, which they walk you through step by step, and then they literally do every single thing for you. So if you're really thinking, hey, I could use a couple extra $100 a week, or maybe a couple extra $100 a month on top of your current income, then a system like the 12-minute affiliate system is ideal for making money online and earning money from home. All right, so I think we covered quite a bit on this one. I want to hop on over here to my personal account of the 12-minute affiliate system, and I'm going to kind of walk you through what you're going to see if you were to purchase the system. And once you sign up, this is basically what you would call your back office, right? Go back up here to the getting started. When you first initially log in, this will be the screen that you're going to see, and it wants you to complete your quick start checklist. All right, you're going to create an affiliate account with ClickBank. That's real simple. They show you how to do that. You're going to get your autoresponder set up. They show you how to do that. Once you complete all of these steps, by the way, you also just to help you out with signing up and showing you how awesome they are, they actually send you on a vacation. No lie. It's not a scam. It's not a joke. If you sign up for the first 2 weeks, you complete your quick start checklist and do everything they ask you to do, you'll be contacted by one of Devon's support team members, and they will set you up on a vacation. They have, I think, like 10 destinations that you can go to. So that's really a cool kind of thing that they do to stand out from other people. So anyways, once you do this, there's a bunch of stuff you can do in here. You can get coaching. If you wanted to get one-on-one coaching to really ignite and fast forward your success, I would highly recommend it. It's very, very affordable, and it's very helpful and valuable, especially for somebody who has never, ever done anything online before. One-on-one coaching definitely is worth your investment. Like it says right here, how to, and you can get 3 to 5 times more results in just 15 minutes. And that's really true. You can really jump ahead of the pack with one-on-one coaching. So I would highly recommend that. You can do this one right here. The coaching option 1, you get 3 personalized coaching sessions with one-on-one. That's 3 weeks of coaching. And that's a really, really, that's a good one. You don't need to worry about this option 2 over here. That's really expensive. So we got down here. Here you got my niche funnels. Right here, this is where you can log in. You can see some of the stuff that says instant funnels. These are the templates that we were talking about that you don't have to worry about designing. You literally just copy this link. You can post this on Facebook. You can start sending traffic to it. You can buy the traffic that they offer inside a 12-minute affiliate system. And you literally can use all 10 of these complete done-for-you funnels. You get an opt-in page and a bridge page. Again, don't worry about it if you don't know what this stuff means. This is stuff that you need in order to succeed online and build an email list, okay? So you've got all these different options right here. All done for you inside of the system, right? You don't have to worry about building this stuff. You don't have to worry about paying crazy fees to designers or any of that crap. It's all done for you in one system, all right? So that's really neat here. Here's the done for you traffic option I was talking about. You can come down here. You can just click on get traffic. You would basically click whatever niche you're in, whether it's the business opportunity, the weight loss, and I don't remember what the other one is, but you can choose. Yeah, here you go. Home business, weight loss, and personal development. You would choose your type of traffic. So if I was in the home business niche, I would do that. I'd say, hey, how much traffic do I want? You go through here and you just go ahead and click how much traffic you want, and they will send all that traffic for you, and you'll start building your email list. Once again, that's a little bit more advanced. They'll walk you through all that when you sign up, and that way you have a better understanding. I'm just kind of giving you a broad overview of the entire system, and I think it's phenomenal. The other really cool part here is the Education Center. You can go in there and you can get all kinds of trainings and stuff from Devon, and team trainings, ask questions, get on live webinars, and get the actual help you need. So I mean, again, if you're somebody that's just really wanting to start out on the right foot and have success right away, a system like this can be really beneficial for you, because instead of you trying to figure everything out on your own, you literally have a team of successful people that are here to help you, who put this system together for you. And not only for you, they're doing it for you as well. All they need you to do is sign up, give them a little bit of information, and they literally are going to email your list for you. They're going to build your, send you traffic, build your email list for you. They're going to do it all. All you have to do is literally sit back and collect the commission checks. I mean, I don't know what's so complicated about that. So I hope this is somewhat beneficial for you. I hope that you realize that the 12-minute affiliate system is not a scam, and it's a really, really awesome and neat opportunity for anybody who's looking to make money from home. That's why I named it the best system to make money from home, because it's exactly that. It really is the best system to make money from home. So I would go ahead and drop a link down below in this video. I'd click on it, go ahead and check it out, sign up, at least do yourself the benefit of checking out the 2-week trial. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.